Hello everyone and welcome to today's lecture on elements in periodic table. This class will be looking at four essential elements that play a vital role in biological system: magnesium, molybdenum, cobalt, and selenium. We will discuss their biological functions and the symptoms that arise when the body lacks them. So let's get started. Now, introduction. The periodic table contains both essential and non-essential elements. While some elements are toxic or biologically inactive, others are critical to life. These essential elements they serve as enzyme cofactors. They participate in metabolic pathways and also they help maintain structural integrity in the cells and tissues. So in this lecture, we will be, as I said earlier, we'll be focusing on the four elements. Here we have the magnesium, the molybdenum, the cobalt, and the selenium, each with unique functions that are indispensable for normal physiological processes. Now let's begin with magnesium. Now, magnesium, which has the atomic number 12 and belongs to the alkaline earth metals, it is the fourth most abundant element in human body, and also it's required for numerous cellular activities. Magnesium is found mainly in bones, muscles, and soft tissues. So, despite its abundance, magnesium deficiency is quite common due to the poor dietary intake or excessive loss through urine and sweat. Now, let's talk about magnesium and its biological functions. Magnesium is an incredibly versatile element, I must say. It serves as a cofactor for over 300 enzyme systems that regulates a wide range of biological reaction. It is crucial for ATP production, since ATP actually exists as a complex with magnesium ion, so we call it magnesium ATP. So magnesium also supports muscle contraction and nerve transmission. So this helps to ensure proper neuromuscular coordination, and again it also aids in DNA and protein synthesis. It helps to regulate blood pressure and heart rhythm, and magnesium is a cornerstone of energy metabolism and cellular function. Magnesium deficiency symptoms. When magnesium levels falls below normal, a number of symptoms can develop. These include muscle cramps, tremors, and general weakness, which occur because of impaired nerves and muscular activity. Other symptoms include fatigue, loss of appetite, and irregular heartbeats. In chronic cases, magnesium deficiency can lead to low calcium and potassium level. Well, that's we call it the hypocalcemia and the hypokalemia in the blood, and over time may contribute to what we call osteoporosis and metabolic disorders. So I think a balanced diet containing leafy vegetables, nuts, and whole grain is the best way to prevent these deficiencies. Next, we have molybdenum. Let's talk about molybdenum a little bit. Molybdenum is a trace element with atomic number 42, though required only in minute quantities actually. It performs vital biochemical roles, and it is a transition metal that serves as a component of certain enzymes necessary for detoxification and energy production. So the body stores very little molybdenum. So diet intake mainly from legumes, grains, and nuts is important in order for us to be able to have this molybdenum in our body system. Um, molybdenum. Let's talk about the biological functions. Molybdenum functions as a cofactor in several key enzymes, including xanthine oxidase, aldehyde oxidase, and sulfite oxidase. So these enzymes help in metabolism of purine and also breakdown of sulfur-containing amino acids like cysteine and methionine. And by doing so, molybdenum assists in detoxification process and in maintaining proper nitrogen balance in the body. Without this element system would not function effectively. Deficiency of molybdenum. This is extremely rare in human. They are not that common, but when it occurs, it leads to neurological abnormalities. It can also lead to impaired uric acid formation and sensitivity to sulfite, which are commonly found in preserved foods. So in animals, molybdenum deficiency can cause poor growth and reduce fertility. Excess molybdenum can also interfere with copper metabolism. So maintaining the right balance is very, very important. Now, let's talk about cobalt. Cobalt is a transition metal with atomic number 27. Cobalt's most uh, Cobalt's most important biological role is as a component of vitamin B12, also known as the cobalamin. This vitamin is essential for red blood cell formation, DNA synthesis, and nervous system maintenance. So, therefore, cobalt biological importance is tightly linked to vitamin B12 activity. As we as we all know that cobalt is the central atom in vitamin B12. It plays a key role in several enzymatic reactions. Okay, and it helps in the formation of red blood cells, the synthesis of DNA, the maintenance of myelin sheets that protect the nerve fibers. Now, cobalt also contributes to energy metabolism, especially in converting fatty acid and amino acid into usable energy. In short, cobalt is essential for growth, cell division, and also neurological health. Now, let's talk about the deficiency symptoms of cobalt. Now, deficiency of cobalt in human is essentially the same as deficiency in vitamin B12. Symptoms include megaloblastic anemia, which is characterized by abnormal large red blood cells, fatigues, and weakness. So, in severe cases, it may cause numbness, tingling sensation, and memory loss due to nerve damage. But for livestock, cobalt deficiency can lead to poor appetite, weight loss, and stunted growth. Now, finally, let's look at selenium. Selenium is a non-metal with atomic number 34. Selenium is a stress element known for its strong antioxidant properties. It is also incorporated into special proteins known as selenoproteins, which are essential for protecting the body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Okay, let's talk about the biological functions of selenium. Selenium forms an essential part of enzymes like the glutathione peroxidase and the thioredoxine reductase, which helps to neutralize harmful reactive oxygen species. And again, it supports thyroid hormone metabolism, and it does this by regulating the conversion of tyrosine to triiodothyronine. That is the acting form of thyroid hormone. And again, selenium plays a role in boosting immune function and protecting against infections and chronic disease. Okay, selenium deficiency symptoms. When selenium intake is inadequate, the body becomes more susceptible to oxidative stress and infections. So Common symptoms like muscle weakness, fatigue, and poor immune response. Severe deficiency can also cause what we call the Cushing disease. There are two types. You have the Cushing disease and we have the Cushing-Beck disease. The Cushing disease is a type of heart muscle disorder, while the Cushing-Beck disease affects the bones and joints. So maintaining adequate selenium levels through foods like fish, nut, and whole grain is also important for long-term health. So I think that's all.